Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this fabulous do. Shout out to Ashimary for sponsoring today's video. I will leave all the information for this wig down below. We love the goodies that come in the wig box, but especially the wig. So Ashimary said, listen, you just have to put this wig on and go. And they meant that. They said we got Detroit curls, we got baby hairs, we got a C part, we got highlights, we got everything. Put the wig on, Tasha. And that's exactly what I did. Again, I'm back with another where to go type of wig. You don't have to do much to it. I literally just put it on. I normally don't use the tape at the side that you guys see there, but I decided to use it because I just wanted to keep the tabs down. I didn't want to use any adhesive. I didn't feel like doing all that, and I already have my makeup on, so I didn't want it to get too messy. I kid you not, this is probably my quickest, shortest, fastest, easiest tutorial on this channel. Like, if you are a beginner, if you don't know where to start with the wigs, how to cut, how to layer, how to color, how to style, get this wig right now. Like, literally, I didn't do anything. I didn't pluck anything. I didn't use any glue. I did not color this wig. What you guys see me doing is what I did. And I also was like, do I have to re-record this video because it's so short? I have no extra footage. This is all I got. I was trying to give you razzle and dazzle, baby, but the wig came as is, and I did not have to do too much of anything. The only thing that made me nervous about this install was the fact that I typically wear my parts on the other side, and I was like, oh, what are we gonna do? We're gonna thug it out. And actually, after wearing this wig, I might start switching my side parts just to like switch it up a little bit. Like, I don't know. It's okay to switch things up. It's not the end of the world. But anyways, all I did was comb the hair out with a wide tooth comb, and I was just kind of getting a feel of it, seeing the layers, seeing how the hair laid and all of that. And the hair was really layered throughout. Like, this wasn't like just layered in the front, face framing. Like, no, this hair had layers and body. So if you're somebody that's scared to cut your wig, or you don't want to like mess it up, this is going to be the wig for you. I also do really love that it had highlights because it gives the hair a little bit of dimension, and you can really see like the layers, the curls, and all of that. And you guys know I love me some brown, which is crazy because a few years ago I did like brown hair, but I love the brown hair. And yeah, so I did recurl the front a little bit because I just felt like I combed the bang out too much, but that was pretty much it. I just played with it, fluffed it a little bit. At the end, I did give you guys a little bit of claw clip action to show you that you can wear it in an updo, because it has like the invisible band in the back, so you can wear it up and all that jazz. You can wear it down. It's glueless. We love that. It's giving. So make sure you guys check out Ashimary. I will leave all the information for this wig down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.